The Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park is a deep, sheer, and narrow canyon that became a national park in 1999. The canyon is 48 miles long, and 14 miles of it are within the national park. Since the national park is in my backyard, I thought it would be nice to share this treasure in ways that many people would never see. The canyon has both south and north access points. The south rim is 15 miles east of Montrose, Colorado, by traveling via US 50 and Colorado 347. The north rim is located 11 miles south of Crawford, Colorado 92, and Black Canyon Road. Then I take you to the Sunset View Overlook. From there, we'll hike the Werner Point Trail with a view into the canyon and south to the San Juans. At Werner Point, we can see north to the Grand Mesa. I have hiked down to the river on the Duncan Trail and provide a feel for what it's like to be down into the canyon and looking back up at the rim. We then go back to the South Rim Visitor Center and look into the canyon from Gunnison Point. Finally, we hike along the north rim and view down into the canyon and walk along the rim. As you can see, the canyon is deep and dark from every point of view. A visit to the park is not complete without driving down to the East Portal and the Gunnison Diversion Dam. We hope you enjoyed this adventure into the Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park, and thank you so much for watching.